Hi, friends. Today, I want to talk about a common issue with MacBooks: horizontal lines on the display. I'll share my personal experience and show you how to fix it without spending a fortune. Usually, repair shops suggest replacing the entire display, which is very expensive. But in most cases, this can be fixed easily. Let's take this MacBook as an example. It has exactly this issue: horizontal lines across the screen. They're always visible, and they get in the way of normal use. These lines often appear after someone cleans the screen with a liquid, which seeps into the edges and reaches the logic board. Here's how it looks under magnification. Every fourth row of pixels doesn't light up. There's no power, and that's why these lines appear. In this case, the damage happened at the corners and edges of the display, but it can also happen in the center, like here on the right side. These black squares, those are corroded traces. Up close, you can see that the top and bottom of the trace aren't connected. That's what cuts off power to the pixels. So here's how we fix it. First, we clean everything using isopropyl alcohol. Then we confirm that the trace is broken. Next, we take conductive lacquer and reconnect the top and bottom parts of the trace. Important: scrape off a bit of the coating to expose the copper. Be careful and precise. After applying the lacquer, we gently dry it with a heat gun around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Not too hot. The lacquer only conducts electricity when it's dry. I use the brand Mechanic, but other brands work too. Here's the result: no more lines, and the display is fully functional. This repair is way more affordable. A new display costs around $200. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. It really helps me out.